Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are from Group 6.
We'll present a narrative text entitled Snow White.
My name is Johanna Apriliani.
My name is Naura Hasnanida.
My name is Yanita. My name is Dimutalifa Shafi.
My name is Firasa Kusuma.
My name is Mirza Syafiq Radi.
The character name is Snow White, Evil Queen, Seven Dwarfs, Magic Mirror, Prince, and Hunter. Once upon a time, there lived a beautiful princess. She was very beautiful with blue eyes and long black hair. Her skin was smooth and white, so she was called Snow White. Snow White had a stepmother who was always jealous of Snow White's beauty. Her stepmother was also very pretty, and the magic mirror said this every day, every time she asked that.
One day, her stepmother asked the magic mirror which woman was the most beautiful in the country, and the magic mirror said Snow White was the most beautiful in the country. The stepmother was very angry. She asked her spirit servant to take Snow White to the forest far from the palace and kill her, but the servant did not kill Snow White. He let the innocent little girl go. In the forest, Snow White was alone and scared. She did not know where she was going, but suddenly she saw a strange little hut. She wondered who lived there, so she decided to enter the hut.
Inside the hut, there were 7 beds and a kitchen. She was very tired to look inside the hut and suddenly fell asleep. In the afternoon, the 7 dwarfs who lived in the hut returned home. They were surprised to see a young woman there. One of the dwarfs woke her up and asked who she was. Snow White to Snow White to told them her sad story. The 7 dwarfs also understood Snow White's feelings and asked her to stay with them in the hut. While in the place, the servant returned and told Snow White, the stepmother, that Snow White had died. Then the stepmother asked the magic mirror once again who was the most beautiful in the country, and still the magic mirror answered Snow White, who lived in a small hut with 7 dwarfs, was the prettiest. So the stepmother was angry and she planned something bad for Snow White.
Then the stepmother disguised herself as an old woman who sold a basket of toys, apple, and went to the hut. The hut 7 dwarfs warned Snow White to open the door for starters.
The stepmother finally arrived at the hut and started offering Snow White an apple. Snow White refused to open the door, but the stepmother kept persuading, and finally Snow White opened the door and broke an apple. She ate it, so that Snow White fell with the poisonous apple beside her.
Hearing the story of Snow White, the prince decided to take her to the place and asked the doctor to cure her. Then the prince kissed her to show his intentions, but suddenly the Snow White come back to life. The fact was that the prince's kiss destroyed the evil spell. Then the prince asked to Snow White to marry him. Then Snow White had lived happily in a large place, but from time to time she often returned to visit small cottage in the forest of the 7 beloved dwarfs.
When she was visited by an old grandmother who pretended to be kind even though she was a witch, the old grandmother gave Snow White an apple that contained poison, which made Snow White unconscious.
The solution to the conflict in the Snow White tradition is tale with a prince. A prince kisses Snow White, the well wake up. Facial beauty is not everything when love and beauty are staggered. Then evil don't be as jealous or efforts of one other people have because envy and are banned and discoverable issues.
Wassalamualaikum